Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and then let's scroll down to find the battery. As you can see, you do not have to enter any other sections because the battery percentage is right here, and probably you've got this do not show option applied. You will have only the battery icon on the status bar. So you can pick next to the battery icon, which I had previously applied, or inside the battery icon if you're not the biggest fan of, like big information about the percentage, because as you can see it is inside the battery icon. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.